Psyche Up Viewer: 6 Secret Ways to Make a Man Obsessed with You. Remember that true and healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and genuine connection. These tips are meant to enhance genuine connections and understanding between partners. Remember, consent and respect are paramount in any healthy relationship. So, let's begin. Secret number 1. Boosting confidence. Ladies, confidence is key. One way to make a man obsessed with you is by boosting his confidence. Praise his achievements, encourage him to pursue his passions, and offer genuine compliments. Your positive energy will reflect back on him, creating a stronger bond between you. Everyone wants recognition and validation for their accomplishments, big or small. Make it a point to notice and acknowledge his successes. Whether it's a work-related achievement, a personal milestone, or even a small act of kindness, let him know that you appreciate and admire his efforts. Everyone has unique interests and hobbies. Take the time to understand and support his passions. Show a genuine interest in what he loves and encourage him to pursue it. By being his #1 fan, you'll boost his self-confidence and make him feel empowered. Secret number 2. Show genuine interest in him. Ask him questions about his life, his interests, and his dreams. Show him that you're interested in getting to know him on a deeper level. Engage in conversations that go beyond surface-level small talk. Ask him about his life, his experiences, his passions, and his dreams. Show a genuine desire to understand what makes him tick. By asking thoughtful questions, you'll make him feel valued and important in your life. Pay attention to the little things he tells you and make an effort to remember them. Whether it's his favorite movie, a childhood memory, or his future aspirations, recalling these details shows that you genuinely care about him. It's a clear sign that he matters to you and will make him feel deeply connected to you. Empathy is a cornerstone of emotional connection. When he shares something challenging or vulnerable, respond with understanding and compassion. Be his source of comfort and support. By validating his emotions and offering empathy, you create a safe space where he can be his authentic self. Secret number 3. Be playful and flirty. Don't be afraid to tease him a little bit. Make him laugh and feel good about himself. Laughter is a powerful tool for building connections. Find opportunities to make him laugh, whether it's through witty banter, funny anecdotes, or playful jokes. Lightening the mood and sharing laughter together create positive associations with you and enhance the bond you share. Playful teasing can be a great way to create chemistry and keep things exciting. Lightly poke fun at him in a way that shows affection and admiration. Be mindful not to cross any boundaries or hurt his feelings, as the goal is to create a playful and enjoyable atmosphere. Plan fun and adventurous dates that allow both of you to let loose and have a great time together. Engage in activities that bring out your playful side, such as mini golf, amusement parks, or playful challenges. Creating these memorable experiences will strengthen your connection and make him associate excitement and fun with you. Secret number 4. Maintain an air of mystery. Don't tell him everything about yourself right away. Let him have some things to discover about you. While it's important to be open and honest in a relationship, share information about yourself gradually, allowing him to get to know you in layers. This gradual reveal will keep him intrigued and wanting to discover more about you. Set healthy boundaries when it comes to sharing personal information. It's okay to keep certain aspects of your life private until you feel comfortable opening up. This boundary setting will create a sense of anticipation and make him more curious about the hidden parts of your life. Keep him guessing by being unpredictable in your actions and behaviors. Surprise him with spontaneous plans or unexpected gestures of affection. Secret number 5. Be supportive. Be there for him when he needs you. Be his biggest fan and his strongest supporter. Sometimes, all he needs is someone to listen to him. Be that person who lends an ear without judgment. Encourage him to express his thoughts and feelings openly, and be fully present during these conversations. Your attentive listening will make him feel heard and understood. Be his biggest cheerleader. Encourage him to pursue his dreams and goals. Celebrate his achievements, no matter how big or small, and remind him of his strengths and capabilities. Your unwavering support will make him feel empowered and motivated to succeed. Support him in practical ways as well. Offer assistance when he's facing challenges or feeling overwhelmed. Whether it's helping with a task, offering advice, or simply being a sounding board, your willingness to lend a helping hand will make him feel supported and cared for. Secret number 6. Be yourself. The most important thing is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. The right man will love you for who you are. Celebrate what makes you unique and special. Embrace your quirks, interests, and passions. Don't be afraid to let your true personality shine through. When you embrace your authentic self, you radiate confidence and attract someone who appreciates and loves you for exactly who you are. Don't compromise your values or sacrifice your boundaries to please someone else. Be clear about your needs and express them openly. Setting boundaries is an essential part of maintaining your individuality and self-respect in a relationship. Don't put your own interests on hold for the sake of a relationship. Continue pursuing your passions, hobbies, and goals. Your enthusiasm and dedication to your personal growth will not only make you more interesting, but they will also attract a man who admires and supports your pursuits. So there you have it. 6 secret ways to make a man obsessed with you. Just remember to be confident, genuine, and playful. And most importantly, be yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more tips on psychology, relationships, and self-improvement. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.